Thiko igere cia gucaria munini wa Raila Odinga ngwatano-ini ya Azimio irekireire na wagagu na gweterera Rianirira riria riu riraririirio nginyagia muthenya wa ruciu. Kuringana na mutaratara uria wari ho kiambiriria, kanjo ya Azimio yari imenyithia Kenya no meguthie na Raila irebe-ini muthenya wa ira, no riu kamiti ya meba mugwanja rungu rwa minista wa tene Dr. Noah Wekesa irauga no nginyagia maritwa matatu aria mekugereka kabiru makiria maneanwo maitho-ini ma Raila Odinga uria uri gicua-ini kambeini cia Azimio.
We had intended to present our report today. A little didn't we know that in fact our party leader will be out of town. I only received this information this morning.
Muthenya wa Jumatatu mubunge mutumia kaunti-ini ya Murang'a Sabina Chege ni waigirirwo ratiri ari wa mbere akirumirwo ni gavana wa Mombasa Hassan Joho, mutongoria wa NARC Kenya Martha Karua, gavana wa Kakamega Wycliffe Oparanya nake gavana wa Nakuru Lee Kinyanjui akihingia tano a mbere.
Whatever the outcome, I will respect the decision.
It's very difficult to beat me. It will be the ticket that will sell.
I'm ready to hit the ground running.
My name was forwarded by my party.
Muthenya wa ira mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka na uria waugite ni ekungathiria uthurimi uyu ni arekinyiria kirumirwo ni mubunge wa tene wa Gatanga Peter Kenneth, farothi wa tene bururi-ini wa Australia Stephen Tarus, governor wa Kitui Charity Ngiru na muthia minister wa urimi Peter Munya.
I realized we didn't want to give anybody an excuse whatsoever to say aligomea kuja.
If they were to pick somebody else, we will go with their choice.
I'm the one who has worked with him longest.
Don't go with a predetermined position that it has to be you.
Ithabu-ini ria aya othe Raila na President Kenyatta mari na kibarua gia gutigirira kiria maraigirira metha-ini ikiro-ini cia kura unyiti mbaru na mitugo ni cia himbirio itua ria ricuthiriirio ni ang'ethaniri ao moho-ini wa munini wa President William Ruto makioneka kwendekithia ahurani amwe na makiria gitaro-ini kia gatagati ka bururi, ataramu makiuga ino ni njira ya gwetha mwanya wa kwigwatira gicigo kia Mount Kenya.
Na ngiruta mundu Mount Kenya irige kuruta mundu uria uretikirika across hatigokorwo hena thayo.
Our press statement was prepared in view of the fact that we were at the same time going to present the report to our party leader. He has assured us that he'll be here tomorrow.
Ihinda-ini o riu kaunti-ini ya Murang'a mubunge mutumia wa Murang'a Sabina Chege ni endekithitio ta muteti mwagiriru gutuika munini wa Odinga.
Tunauma maitũ wa kaunti niwe wagĩrĩire gukorwo ari mu kana heo mucarisa atuike munini wa mutongoria wa bururi thini wa githurano twerekeire.
Tukera president ona ithu tutigũkũrekia twi hamwe nawe mahinda mothe na uria twero ni maitũ wa kaunti niguo tugwika.
Wagweterera riu ni kumenya no Raila na President Kenyatta mekuhe muhari wa mbere kuona ithabu mahinda ona watho wa IBC igatuithania uria gugaikara tariki 16 Jumatatu ya kiumia turorete. Ngiribotera Kameme TV jitagwo Mwaura Wadumu.